With winter, you get the bounty of winter produce. Today's bounty is fenugreek, spinach, and garden peas. The recipe, of course, Methi Matar Palak. Let's begin. I'm going to divide this recipe into two components. The first one is making a restaurant-style white gravy. And of course, we'll take that to the next level. And the second one is tempering our winter produce. Now, beginning with spinach. What we need to do is pick the spinach, wash it nicely. We dip it in boiling water. We let it rest there for a couple of minutes. Then we pull it out and plunge it into ice water. What happens with this is that the cooking immediately gets arrested and the color stays nice emerald-like. The next ingredient, fresh fenugreek. Fenugreek leaves, of course, you can choose the tiny variety, you can use the large variety. Choice is completely yours. I'm using, of course, the large variety. The third ingredient, garden peas. We shell the peas and keep the peas ready. Once all of this is ready, we straight move in to making the white gravy. Add in a little bit of oil. Let's begin with roughly slicing onions. Let's saute the onions in oil and add in some cashew nuts. Moving on to a couple of green chilies, depending on the spice that you can personally take. A couple of green cardamoms. Let's saute all of this till this just kind of begins to turn golden brown in color. And once that happens, of course, the flame. Now there's one thing for you. Well, I most of the time have ginger and garlic paste ready in my refrigerator. Hence, I am not sauteing here. But otherwise, what you're supposed to do is take a couple of cloves of garlic and take a little knob of ginger and you saute it along with this. So I'm doing it just to show it to you. But otherwise, this is a paste that is ready. You just run this nice and fine. Let's mix it for now. Allow this to cool down and grind this absolutely nice and fine. Our white paste is done and ready. Let's now move on to tempering, for which of course I'm going to use the same pan. Once the oil heats up, let's begin with crackling some cumin seeds. And along with this, finely chopped fenugreek. Let's saute this for a couple of minutes and then move on to the next ingredients. Time to add in fresh garden peas. Let's saute this for a while as well. And while this is sauteing, I'm also going to add in some Garam Masala. Time to add in spinach puree. And along with this, our white paste. To this, let's add in water to adjust the consistency. And finally, salt as required. Use this with a lot of caution because spinach has a lot of natural salts and that may just end up over salting this dish. A quick couple of stirs, a quick couple of boils here and there. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, Methi Matar Palak is done and ready. Make this for your family, make this for your friends and enjoy this cozy, wonderful, simple recipe along with either Malabari parathas or garlic naan. Bye for now.